At first, the skin may look normal, but when we move closer, the hidden buildup inside the pores slowly begins to appear. Small blackheads, tiny clogged pores. A texture that isn't quite smooth. Why does this happen? It's simple. Extra oil builds up on the surface, mixing with dead skin cells and daily dirt. This mixture slowly blocks the pore. Bacteria gathers inside, and the skin barrier becomes weak. That's when blackheads, clogged pores, and small pimples start to form. Nothing complicated, just skin, trying to protect itself and needing a little help. Let's look closer. Right here, along the nose, small blackheads sit quietly inside the pores. Around the cheeks, tiny clogged areas catch the light differently than the rest of the skin. The surface feels a little rough, a little uneven, a little tired. This is what oily, congested is like up close. Today's routine is calm, gentle, focused entirely on the pores. Our goal is simple: cleaner pores, smoother texture, and healthier looking skin one step at a time. Let's begin. Gentle cleansing. A soft, creamy cleanser glides slowly across the skin. It moves in gentle circles, softening the surface oil. Dirt begins to lift, loosening from the top layer. The skin already feels softer, cleaner, calmer. Step 2, second cleanse now, a second, deeper cleanse. The step reaches a little further, clearing away what the first cleanse left behind. It prepares the pores, softening any remaining buildup underneath. The skin is now ready for deeper care. Step 3, warm steam preparation. Warm steam rises gently across the face. It settles softly onto the skin, comforting, relaxing. The warmth helps loosen buildup inside the pores. Slowly, gently, the pores begin to feel more open, more ready. Take a slow breath here. Step 4, smart exfoliation. A soft, exfoliating touch moves carefully across the skin. No harsh scrubbing. No aggressive pressure. Just calm, controlled care, lifting away dead skin cells. Clogged areas begin to soften. The surface feels smoother already. Step 5, targeted pimple care now. A calming treatment for acne-prone areas. A light touch of salicylic acid helps clear inside the pore. A soothing layer of niacinamide helps balance the skin, gentle, simple, focused only where it's needed. The most satisfying part now. The most satisfying part begins. Close up, pore by pore, the buildup slowly clears. Stubborn, clogged areas soften under careful, controlled care. Blackheads become less and less visible. The texture slowly becomes smoother. Slow and steady, nothing rushed. Nothing forced, just calm, patient care. Progress, look at the change happening. The congestion is fading. The pores appear cleaner. The texture looks smoother under the light. The skin feels lighter already. The whole face looks fresher, more balanced. Step 6, soothing toner. A calming toner is pressed gently into the skin. Redness slowly looks reduced. The skin begins to feel comfortable again. Balance is returning, layer by layer. Step 7, moisturizer. Hydration matters now more than ever. A lightweight moisturizer glides softly over the face. It supports the skin barrier, locks in comfort, leaves a soft, smooth finish. Balanced moisture, a fresh, healthy look. Step 8, morning protection in the morning. Sunscreen becomes essential. It protects the skin gently through the day and helps prevent dark marks from looking worse over time. A simple step, an important one. Routine recap. Let's recap this simple routine. In the morning, cleanse, treatment if needed, moisturizer, sunscreen. At night, cleanse, deep cleanse. Gentle exfoliation on selected days, treatment, moisturizer, simple steps, repeated gently, every single day. Consistency. Clearer skin is not built in one night. It improves slowly, with gentle care and quiet consistency. Every gentle cleanse, every calm treatment, every patient step adds up over time.